Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna cheesy pasta. First, let's gather everything we need for this simple and satisfying meal. You'll want 1 box of tuna helper, 1 5-ounce can of tuna, 2 cups of milk, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Make sure you have a large skillet ready, along with a good stirring spoon. This easy method ensures a delicious dinner with minimal fuss, perfect for any busy evening. Now, let's get cooking. In your large skillet, combine 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of hot water, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Stir these ingredients together over medium-high heat. Once they are well mixed, add the pasta and sauce mixed directly from your tuna helper box. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the pasta is tender. With your pasta perfectly cooked, it's time to add the stars of the show, the tuna and the cheese. Carefully open and drain 1 5-ounce can of tuna, then gently stir it into the hot pasta mixture. Next, sprinkle the delicious cheese sauce mix from the tuna helper box evenly over everything. Continue stirring for about 1 minute, ensuring the cheese melts completely and coats every piece of pasta and tuna for that irresistible creamy texture. Your easy cheesy tuna pasta is now ready to enjoy. Before serving, let it stand for just a few minutes. This allows the sauce to thicken slightly, enhancing its creamy texture. Dish out generous portions while it's warm to savor the comforting flavors. This simple recipe yields approximately 5 satisfying servings, making it an ideal, quick, and budget-friendly meal for your family or a few friends. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.